And welcome back to our number system course. In today's lecture, we are going to learn two very important conversion, octal to binary and binary to octal. These conversions are extremely easy because octal and binary are directly related. So what is the relation between octal and binary? Octal is a base 8 number system and binary is a base 2 number system. Since 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So each octal digit can be represented using 3 binary bits. And what is octal to binary conversion? To convert octal to binary, replace each octal digit with its 3-bit binary equivalent. So you need to learn this 3-bit binary equivalent. So 0 octal means 000 in binary. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 7. This you have to learn. Okay, so this memorization is very important for your conversion. So 4 octal meaning 100 in binary, 5 octal meaning 101 in binary, 6 octal meaning 110 in binary, and 7 octal meaning 111 in binary. So let's take one example. So if we told us that we have to convert 3 to 5 base 8 to base 2, that means binary. So how to do that? So what is the meaning of 3? 0, 1, 1. What is the meaning of 2? 0, 1, 0. What is the meaning of 5? It's 1, 0, 1. So just combine them up. So the final answer will come as 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 base 2. This is how you will solve, means convert octal to binary. Now, to convert binary to octal, the method is very simple. Start grouping up the binary digit into a set of 3. When begin grouping from right hand side and convert each group into its octal equivalent. So let's take one example. If we ask to convert 101101 base 2 to base 8, that means octal. So we'll group into 3-bit, means this bit and this bit will group into 3. Okay, like this. So 101 and 101. So it is very simple. 101 mean 5. So we'll write about 5 and 5. So final answer will come as 5 and 5, base 8. So this is very simple. Let's take another example. If we asked to convert 110111 001 base 2 to base 8. So how to, again same rule, group it by 3, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so what is 110? So 110 means 6. What is 111? It means 7. And what is 001? Means 1. So it's simple, 671 base 8 in octal. So this is how we convert octal to binary and vice versa, binary to octal. So let's take one example. So here I said the 37.45 base 8. So how to convert? Again same rule. The 3 will be 0, 1, 1. 7 will be 1, 1, 1. Point will be remain as same. 4 will be 1, 0, 0. And 5 will be 1, 0, 1. So now group it. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Point 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Base 2. As simple as that. Yeah, here is nothing rocket science in it. So yeah. Similarly, I am giving you the homework this part. So try by yourself and know me. Write the timestamp in the comment below, and I will check the answer over there. So hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and like, share, and obviously go to my previous lecture and visit once and like that those videos also.